AI dubbing uses speech synthesis to generate human-like machine voices, which are able to dub the content in the same way, just similar to humans. But there are a few pros and cons associated with AI dubbing as well. Let's talk about them. So let's talk about the pros now. First is the speed. While human dubbing may take weeks and months to do a certain content, AI dubbing may take just a few hours or a few days at max, with human intervention involved in terms of quality check and making it perfect. Second is cost effectiveness. Well, no studio can match the kind of cost in which AI dubbing can be done. It's really cost effective and it can work for all kinds of contents. Third is scalability. Well, AI dubbing is perfect for the kind of content where huge volumes are involved and you have a certain limited timeline to do it. And then same voice can be used for all different kind of videos, which was not possible when human dubbing is involved, because a human actor can do only this much. And fourth, and a very interesting feature is customizable voices. Yes, if you are a creator or if you are a person whose voice is recognized and want to use the same voice, your voice, in the dubbed videos also, that can be done with the help of voice cloning. As you can also choose a variety of voices which are present in the AI dubbing data bank. Now let's talk about the cons associated with AI dubbing. First of all, minor editing and a quality check is necessary. Well, AI is able to do a lot. It is able to translate. It is also able to dub. But then you need to ensure that you need to have a professional expert in the target language to work on and review these AI generated videos. That person can actually give the right prompts and ensure the pronunciation, the flow, the tone, and everything comes out the same way as it is expected. Second is tonality and emotions. Well, AI has achieved great levels of accuracy in terms of emotions in a lot of languages, but still it lags behind human dubbing by a great margin.